With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. The question says, the reduction factor K of a tangent galvanometer is written on the instrument. The manual says that the current is obtained by multiplying its reduction factor K to tan theta. The procedure works well at Bhuwaneshwar. Will the procedure work if the instrument is taken to Nepal? If there is some error, can it be corrected by correcting the manual, or the instruments will have to taken back to the factory? So what is given to us, that we are given a tangent galvanometer. So tangent galvanometer reads the current reading, and current reading is given by, and we obtain current reading by multiplying reduction factor with tan theta. So how do we get current reading? So we get current reading by multiplying reduction factor K with tan theta, where mathematical expression for tan theta is B divided by BH, where capital B is the external magnetic field. Capital B is external magnetic field, and BH is horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. So BH is Earth's magnetic field. So what is given to us, that we can find out the current reading with multiplying reduction factor with tan theta, and tan theta varies from places to places. So we don't have to take back the instrument back to the factory. So we can just calculate we can get the current reading in Nepal also. Their tan theta value will be different. So this is our answer, that we don't need to take the instrument back to the factory, and this procedure works well if the instrument is taken to Nepal. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.